So now what we want to do is to go over all the letters, and I'm going to read from the beginning till the end. So what happens is that if I say any of the letters, you say after me. All right. So let's start. A, B, B, D, D, A, E, F, G, G, G. At times, some people pronounce this one B, he,
Hui.
E, G, K, Li. So ensure you get the correct pronunciations. Li, Mi, Ni, O, Pi, Si, Chi, Ti, D. U,
Vi.
We,
V.
We've come to the end of today's lecture. In the next episode, we're going to continue from here, and be glad to hear from you. And as I mentioned before, there's a link in the description that will take you to our website, where we dropped articles that will help you elevate your knowledge in the learning of language. So once again, thank you very much. My name is Koja Amos Maokun. Dondo mi kwado kodogo onyiche Koja Amos Maokun. Kaka mi nalo plate with Egun. Izuzande.